I'm learning how to ride my bike. Here I go. Bouncing is hard, but I'm getting better. Sometimes I fall off, but that's okay. I get up and try again. Good job, Finn.
We also love our scooters. The wheels light up. I can do tricks.
My brother keeps losing his shoe.
My scooter keeps running away. Run away, scooter!
We love playing on our scooters.